Welcome to today's 15-minute full body yoga flow with a little bit of everything. We will work on strength and flexibility and finish with relaxation at the end. Let's get started. Stand at the top of your mat in mountain pose with feet around hip distance apart. Ground your feet down, lengthen the spine, lengthen the crown of the head up to the ceiling. Roll your shoulders back and down and turn your palms to face forward. Take a big deep breath in and a slow breath out through the nose. Inhale, lift your heart, stand up taller. Exhale, ground down through the feet. One more time, inhale through the nose. And exhale through the nose. With your next inhale, reach your arms out and up, look up. Exhale, soften the knees and bend down over the legs. Grab the opposite elbows and gently swing the upper body side to side. Relax your head and neck. Release your arms and slowly roll yourself up, vertebra by vertebra. Inhale, lift your arms up, hold your right wrist with your left hand, and exhale, lean to the left into side bend. Inhale, back to center, switch the grip. Exhale, lean to the right. Again, inhale in center. Exhale, deep side stretch. Inhale in center. Exhale to the right. One more round. Inhale. Exhale, side bend. Inhale. And exhale. Back to center as you inhale. Exhale, release your arms down by your sides. Shake your arms out. Roll the shoulders back and interlace fingers behind the back. Squeeze your shoulder blades together. Pull your hands away from the back and lift your heart. Breathe deeply into your chest. Release your hands. Inhale, sweep your arms up, look up, and exhale into forward bend. Plant your hands down, step back into downward facing dog. With your next inhale, roll forward into plank, shoulders above the wrists. Exhale, drop your knees down, tabletop, keep your toes tucked in. Inhale, cow pose, drop the belly, lift the heart. And exhale, press back into downward facing dog. We will flow like this a few more times. Inhale, shift forward into plank. Exhale, drop the knees down. Inhale, lift your heart, look up. And exhale, press back into downward dog. Try to move in the rhythm of your breath. Inhale, forward into plank. Exhale, lower the knees with control. Inhale, arch the back, look up. Exhale, press back, downward dog. Again, inhale. Exhale, lower the knees. Inhale, cow pose, drop the belly, lift the heart. Exhale, downward facing dog. And stay here for a few breaths. You can be still or walk your feet out on spot, whatever feels good. With your next inhale, roll forward. Exhale, drop the knees and lower all the way down to your belly. Keep your hands next to your chest. Press the tops of the feet into the mat for a few rounds of cobra. Inhale, lift your head. Lift your chest as much as you can. Exhale, release forehead down to the mat. Inhale, lift, engage the back muscles. Exhale, release. Keep moving. Inhale and exhale. One more inhale and exhale. Then press yourself up to your hands and knees and find a child's pose. For little variation, stretch your left arm under your right armpit to the side. Send the breath into the back, between the shoulder blades. Enjoy a little break. Switch sides and thread your right arm under the left armpit. Couple more breaths. Reach your right arm forward again and make your way into downward facing dog. For warrior 1, bring your right foot forward, release your left heel down and turn that foot out about 45 degrees. Bend your front knee above the ankle and reach your arms up to the sky. Take one more inhale in warrior 1, reach your fingertips higher. And exhale, warrior 2, bring your heels in one line and reach your arms out on shoulder height. Straighten your front leg, reverse triangle inhale. And triangle pose as you exhale. Right hand next to your ankle or shin, look up towards your left hand. Inhale, reverse triangle again. And exhale, hands down to the mat. Step back into downward facing dog. Take a moment here to notice the difference between the sides. Then bring your left foot forward, turn your right foot out 45 degrees and come up into warrior 1. Ground down through the heels and reach up towards the sky with the fingertips. Inhale, lift your heart higher. Exhale, warrior 2. Adjust your heels and reach your arms out to the sides. Palms face down. With inhale, reverse triangle. Lift your left arm up and back. Look up. Exhale, find triangle pose. You can always look down for more stability, but try to look up towards the upper hand. Inhale, reverse triangle again. And exhale, palms down, step back, downward facing dog. Inhale, roll forward into plank. Exhale, lower down to the belly with control. Place your forearms parallel to each other. elbows underneath the shoulders for Sphinx pose. Press your forearms down and pull your chest forward. Roll the shoulders back and breathe. If this is too much for your back, you can always move your elbows a bit more forward to decrease the back bend. Just one more full cycle of breath. And release your forehead down. Place it on top of your hands. You can shake your hips side to side to release the lower back. And then slowly roll over to your back to cool down and finish with a couple relaxing poses. Pull your knees in towards your chest, hold your shins or hold your feet for happy baby. Roll side to side on your lower back, give it a bit of massage. In happy baby, try to gently press the knees down towards the floor. Then release your feet about hip distance apart. We are going into bridge pose. Press your heels down, lift your hips up. You can stay here, or to add on the shoulder stretch, interlace fingers behind the back on the floor and squeeze your shoulder blades together. Keep lifting up through the hips and the chest. Another full breath here. Maybe you can lift up a little higher. And then release your hands, release your hips down. For reclined twist, reach your arms out in T shape. Shift your hips slightly to the right and lower the knees to the left. You can also use your left hand on top of the right knee to weight it down. Slowly switch sides, shift your hips to the left and lower the knees to the right. Look to your left hand, or maybe close your eyes and enjoy a couple relaxing breaths. Slowly bring your body back to center. If you have a bit more free time, feel free to stay in Shavasana for a couple of minutes. If you are ready to finish this practice, straighten your legs, reach your arms overhead, find one more big full body stretch. Interlace fingers, press the palms away from you, take big breaths in. Full breath out. And then roll over to the side and make your way up into comfortable cross-legged seat. Let's finish this practice with one more breath together. Inhale, reach your arms out and up. Exhale, bring your palms together to your heart. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day and see you in the next video. Bye!